Hello, I'm Scott from TurboTax with some important information on how you can file your taxes on a 1040EZ form for free. Most taxpayers prefer to file their tax return on the shortest and least time-consuming tax form possible. This is why the IRS allows some taxpayers to use a 1040EZ form instead of the longer 1040. And maybe even better is the money you can save if you're eligible for free e-filing. You can only use the 1040EZ form if you satisfy a number of eligibility requirements. These require that you be eligible to use the single or married filing jointly statuses, that you're under the age of 65 and not blind by the end of the tax year, your taxable income is less than $100,000, you don't receive advanced earned income credit payments during the year, don't owe household employment taxes with your return, don't earn more than $1,500 of interest, and your income only comes from employment, scholarships, grants, and the Alaska Permanent Fund. Also be aware that when using the 1040EZ, you cannot claim dependents, itemized deductions, or take any adjustments to income. In addition, there are limitations on the types of tax credits you can take. Of course, you can always prepare a 1040EZ form by hand and mail it to the IRS to avoid paying fees, but there are 2 free e-filing options you may want to consider as well. As part of the Free File program, TurboTax offers taxpayers who meet certain income requirements the opportunity to prepare and e-file their returns online for free. If you don't qualify for Free File program, you can still file a free federal tax return using TurboTax Federal Free Edition online. Just visit TurboTax.com to get started. The IRS also allows you to prepare your tax return manually using fillable tax forms. Although you will have to calculate your taxes yourself, the IRS allows you to e-file the forms at no charge, but you must create an online account with the IRS in order to do so. For more information about this and other tax topics, visit TurboTax.com.